Welcome back to our channel. The front design of the 2026 2CV is expected to pay homage to its predecessor while incorporating contemporary elements. Anticipate round headlights reminiscent of the original's boggle-eyed look, possibly accompanied by vent-like indentations on the wings, echoing the classic 2CV's styling cues. At the rear, the design is likely to maintain the simplicity and functionality that the 2CV was known for. While specific details remain under wraps, the emphasis will probably be on a minimalist aesthetic that balances retro charm with modern necessities. Inside, the 2026 2CV aims to embody simplicity and affordability, staying true to the original's ethos. The cabin will likely focus on essential features, ensuring a user-friendly and uncluttered environment. While luxury may take a backseat, expect practical design choices that enhance the driving experience without unnecessary frills. Under the hood, the new 2CV is anticipated to prioritize efficiency over performance. It's expected to feature a compact electric powertrain, possibly utilizing a smaller, cost-effective battery pack to keep the vehicle affordable. This setup should provide adequate range for city driving, aligning with the car's role as an urban mobility solution. Pricing is a critical aspect of the 2026 2CV, with Citroën aiming to position it between the AMI and the C3 models. This strategy suggests a starting price that could undercut competitors like the Renault 5, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers seeking a blend of nostalgia and modern technology. As we await more details on the 2026 Citroën 2CV, it's clear that this vehicle seeks to bridge the past and the future, offering a retro-inspired design coupled with modern efficiency. Stay tuned to our channel for the latest updates on this and other exciting automotive developments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed.